In this video, we are uncovering 20 amazing tools you can buy online that blend smart design with real usefulness, offering simple upgrades that can make a big difference in everyday life. HOTO Drill. The HOTO Drill delivers powerful, precise performance in a compact, cordless design, featuring smart torque control, a digital display, and auto-stop protection. With long battery life, USB-C charging, built-in LED light, and a complete accessory set, it makes every DIY task easy and accurate. Plastic Tubing Cutter. The plastic tubing cutter delivers fast, clean cuts on plastic up to 2 inches with automatic and manual modes for better control. Featuring an integrated LED, balanced D-handle grip, and durable stainless steel blade, it's built for efficient, high-productivity job site work. $276. Piece Tool Set. The 276-piece tool set is a complete home solution with an organized toolbox, durable tools, and a lightweight 12-volt cordless drill. Designed for everyday repairs and do-it-yourself projects, it offers reliability, comfort, and convenience in one all-in-one kit. RAK Multi-Tool. The RAK Multi-Tool is a compact, durable, all-in-one tool designed for everyday fixes and do-it-yourself tasks. Built for convenience and reliability, it keeps essential functions within easy reach whenever you need them. Nitro Paint Sprayer. The Works Nitro cordless paint sprayer provides smooth, even coverage with minimal overspray and a portable, cordless design. With multiple spray patterns, 4 nozzle sizes, and easy cleaning, it is ideal for quick and versatile painting projects. Ratchet Wrench. The cordless ratchet wrench delivers strong torque in a compact, long-reach design for tight spaces. With variable speed control, built-in LED lighting, and long-lasting dual batteries, it is ideal for automotive and home repairs. Multitool. This 21-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool combines durability, comfort, and quick self-locking access to essential tools. Compact and easy to carry, it is ideal for outdoor activities, do-it-yourself projects, and everyday use. HOTO Grip Spin Scrubber. The HOTO Grip Spin Scrubber makes deep cleaning effortless with powerful dual-speed scrubbing and an ultra-light, waterproof design. Magnetic brush heads swap in seconds, while the smart display and long battery life keep cleaning smooth, fast, and hassle-free. Three-in-one Multifunctional Inflator. The CZ T7 Max is a compact 3-in-1 inflator that handles tire inflation, quick cleanups, and lighting in one powerful tool. With a brushless motor and up to 150 pounds per square inch, it delivers fast, reliable performance wherever you go. Extra long reach blades. These extra-long reach blades are designed to cut effortlessly in hard-to-reach areas. Featuring durable bimetal construction and precision Japanese teeth, the 10-piece set delivers smooth, accurate cuts for a wide range of projects. Jigsaw. This cordless jigsaw delivers fast, controlled cuts with an all-metal keyless bevel shoe, 4-position pendulum action, and variable speed control, providing reliable performance, safety, and precision for a wide range of cutting tasks. Electric Weed Puller. The CC electric weed puller removes weeds quickly and effortlessly with a powerful battery and stand-up design. Featuring a root-grabbing 3-claw system, smooth eject action, and lightweight ergonomic build, it makes garden work easier and more comfortable. Pneumatic wire twisters. Pneumatic wire twisters allow multiple wires to be twisted at once without pre-twisting, delivering a clean, stable finish without cutting or fraying. Compact and safety-focused, they make wire insertion smooth, fast, and efficient. Manual cutter. This manual tile cutter delivers smooth, precise, straight, and angled cuts on tiles up to 14 millimeters thick. With a durable steel build, YG6X ball-bearing blade, long 1,300 millimeter cutting length, and transport wheels, it is ideal for large format tile work. LEVMATIC battery. The LEVMATIC battery plier is a cordless tool that pushes RLS leveling wedges quickly and effortlessly, reducing fatigue. With a brushless motor, adjustable design, and included battery and charger, it delivers efficient, precise tile installation. Rechargeable work light. This rechargeable work light provides bright LED illumination with multiple modes and strong magnetic mounting. Compact, durable, and long-lasting, it delivers reliable lighting for any job. HAZET DAB Radio. The HAZET DAB Radio delivers powerful sound with DAB+ and FM reception, Bluetooth connectivity, and hybrid 18-volt or mains power. Built tough for workshops and job sites, it also supports device charging and easy station control. Pallet Carousel. The Pallet Carousel keeps pallet loads at an ergonomic working height with smooth self-leveling and full 360-degree rotation. Built to support up to 4,500 pounds, it reduces strain and improves loading efficiency without power or maintenance. MAESTRO 3D. The MAESTRO 3D laser level delivers professional-grade accuracy with full 360-degree green laser coverage for precise layout work. Built tough with long battery life, USB-C and wireless charging, smart visibility modes, and IP65 durability, it is designed for non-stop performance on any job site. That concludes our roundup of 20 amazing tools you can buy online, each chosen for how well it solves common problems in a smart way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.